Hi, boys and girls. Today's lesson, we are going to talk about nouns. What is a noun? So our objectives today, our content objective is I can identify, remember identify means to find, I can identify the different types of common nouns. Our language objective is I can give an example of the different types of nouns, including person, place, animal, and object. So let's start with nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a person. Like this picture shows a nurse, it shows a girl. Those are both nouns. It's places, like this park. Nouns are also things. A thing might be an animal, like a dog, or it could be an object, like a phone. So now let's dig in deep into each one. Common nouns, people. People are common nouns. Now, what is common? People are common. Common means we see them a lot. Common nouns are not specific to a person, place, or thing. That means they're not specific names. I'm Miss Crockett. Miss Crockett is not a common noun, but I'm a teacher. Teacher is a common noun. This picture shows a nurse. Nurse is a person. A nurse is a common noun. This picture shows a man. Man is a common noun. This picture shows a grandpa. Grandpa is a common noun. This picture shows the president. President is a common noun. Now let's talk about places being common nouns. So remember, common nouns, we see them a lot. They're common. Places are common. We see them all the time, everywhere we go, every day. But they're not specific to a person, place, or thing. So this is a picture of Market Basket, but the common noun we're going to use is grocery store. This is a picture of a beach. And this is a picture of a laundromat. How many of you recognize these places? We might go there a lot. We might see them a lot, drive by them, walk by them, buy things there, spend time there. That's because they are common. So now we're going to talk about things. Remember, we have common nouns, we have things, we have animals, and objects. So for animals, we see animals everywhere. They are very common. This shows a picture of a dog. How could we describe this as a common noun? Not specifically, it's a lion. This common noun we would describe as a fox. That's what the animal is. It's a fox. And this is a dolphin. All right, anyone remember what's next? Common nouns, thing, object. Remember, objects are everywhere. You might be wondering, what are objects? We're going to find out, and I bet you see objects all around where you're sitting right now. This is a ball. How many of you have used this before? A pencil is an object. The word pencil is a common noun. A spoon, we use spoons all the time to eat, like cereal or soup. And phones are common nouns. So all of these are examples of common nouns that show thing, object. So let's review. What is a noun? And we're going to kind of uncover this top-down web to our right. I'm just trying to move myself. All right. So what is a noun? Nouns are people, places, remember things, and things can be animals and objects. They are not specific names, but more describe a group. So a person could be a nurse, it could be a girl. It doesn't mean this specific girl in this picture, right? But we're describing her as a nurse or a girl. We're using a common noun. Places, like a park. animals like a dog, or objects, a phone. Now you know all about nouns and common nouns. Bye.